Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. In today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can change the name of your Facebook page. Please subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes and don't forget to write comments after watching the video. So, let's get to our topic. First of all, open the Facebook application, then open up your page. And at the bottom, go to the menu section. Then click on the gear at the top. This will take you to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down a little bit until you find your page settings. Click on that. Next, you'll see the name across from that, Change. And so you'll be able to change your name. If you click on your name, you can change it. And then you click on Done. And then you click Change. And next, you'll just need to enter your Facebook password. And then you'll need to save your changes. And instantly your Facebook page name will be changed. I will warn you that the next time you can change the name of the page, you will be able to change it in 60 days. So choose your name carefully so that you don't want to change it in the next 2 months. Friends, I hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also write your comments and put your likes. See you soon.